I want to show you how to utilize Parabolic SAR. So this is an indicator that will be guiding you on the trending market. It works very well on the trending market. So let's go and get the indicator. We go to the insect, go to indicator. So this is MetaTrader 5 is the MetaTrader 5 platform. And then we go to trends and we go and choose Parabolic SAR. This is the indicator. Let's choose the color. We're going to use black, and then the thickness, the thickness, we're going to use this third one, and then we see okay, it will display on your screen. Simple as that. This black dot, it's your indicator, so it's showing you the direction of the market and where the trend is ending. So now the market is trending down. As you can see, the market is moving below the resistance. So it acts as a resistance, as you can see, showing you that the market is selling over here. So when you see the dots change from above to below, for an example, as here, the market now starting to formulate the indicator below the current market. It's moving below. It's telling you that the market now wanna buy. It's going up. So this is the indicator that will help you to make informed decision and stay out of the trade if the market change direction. You see, this is a parabolic is SAR. So when the market is trending down, these dots will be moving above the market, showing you that it acts as a resistance. So when the market is trending up, it will be below the current direction. For an example, let's go and find the indicator moving below. Yeah, here you can see the market. We call this green, all this candlestick a market, guys. If you, for the ones who doesn't understand, so the indicator is moving below, so it's telling you that the market is on the buying side here. And then after some quiet time, the market started to formulate an indicator above the current market, and then this side is telling you that the market now is on the selling side when it is moving, when the indicator is moving above the direction. So when it's moving below the direction, telling you that the market is buying. When it is above, it's telling you that the market is selling. You see, this red here, it's telling you that the market is selling. This green here, it's telling you that the market is buying. So this indicator helps you to go with the direction. So it's a lagging indicator. It follows the market price section. Price action is how the market print itself on your screen over there. So this is how we use it. So let's zoom in, and then you see on the selling side, it's above the direction. On the buying side, on the buying side, on the buying side is below the direction. Simple as that. So when you see three dots formulating, just sell or buy based on the direction. Simple as that. That's how you use parabolic SAR. So as you can see here at the current market, you see here the market was selling, and then now the market, it seems like it want to change the direction. It's buying, and then these dots move from away, from above to below, telling you that now we're buying, we're no longer selling. So after seeing three, you can close your position based on the direction. You see now we're going up, but here you see it was doing what? It was buying. It was buying, just like how it is creating here. It wanna buy now. So you see, when the market was buying using this, following this indicator, and then these dots ended here and started to formulate above the current market. And then 1 2 3, now the direction has changed, showing me that we're selling, we're no longer buying, sell. So this is the market selling. You see now it seems like we want to buy again, and then it's buying. That's how we use this indicator. It's a parabolic SAR. Don't forget to follow so that you'll be notified when I make more videos. I'll put some indicators, and then you pick one for yourself. to utilize with your trading strategy. Strategy is how you plan to execute the trades on the market. So it's a matter of confluence, combination of what you're doing. If it give you one reasoning, then you go with it. That's trading. And use risk management. Strict rules of your trading plan, and you make it. This is not a get rich scheme. You need to give it a time. You need to give it a time. So that's how you use indicator.